Today is Friday again. Hope everyone had a very great weeks. In this series, we're going to talk about tax scams. Recently, ATO has announced that in 2018, there was 114,000 reported scams. And out of those, 2.8 million was the reported loss. And a lot of people would hear the common scam tactic is you might receive an email pretending from ATO or MyGov and saying you have a very large refund, a huge refund, asking you to put down your tax file number and your bank detail to receive that. And if you ever do get that kind of email, do not open it, but rather ring the tax agent. I would ask most of all my clients to do the following. If they receive the email, do not open it and do not forward to me. Probably got antivirus. Just call me, and then I will ring the ATO and quote your client number and find out specifically what are the issues. And in the recent months, there was some more complicated tax scam where it involves three ways, which are between the tax agent, pretended impersonator tax agent, impersonator ATO. So the story will go on like this. Impersonator ATO person will call the client pretending to be ATO and saying that there was outstanding tax lodgement or outstanding debt. I asking the client to provide a tax agent contact number and the number. And once the client provides the tax agent number, a third person will call, pretending to be that tax agent. And then the two of them will talk to a client, coercing him or her into believing that it's a real case. And actually, one client was tricked into paying thousands of dollars into a Bitcoin ATM. It's very important to understand that ATO will not threaten you over the phone, like they will arrest you. ATO will not ask you for immediate payment of debt. ATO will not do anything which can cause you too much of a stress. Hence, if you do receive such an email or phone call, please give a tax agent a call and do not keep going talking to them. And recently, ATO has made an announcement that they found there were a high number of tax agents who are not licensed, unlicensed tax agents doing the tax work. It's very important to remember that the fee you pay to a tax agent are deductible only if the tax agent is licensed or registered with ATO to provide the taxation service. The fee you pay to an unlicensed or unregistered tax agent are not deductible because under law they cannot provide tax affair work or tax advice. Hence, with Enjoy Go Tax, we are a licensed tax agent. Hence, all of our clients will receive a valid tax invoice quoting our tax agent number. And those invoices will be deductible next year. And also, if you are encountering a very complicated tax issue, do not second guess and lodge the return, but rather seek clarifications from your tax agent or accountant. The common issue which would be involved capital gains tax. If you sell a house, but you might sell your house and you might live there for a while, You might be able to enjoy the main residence exemption, and you might also enjoy other concessional provision under that capital gains tax. And then don't just compute it if you are not sure about the legality of the underlying tax issue, but rather seek a prior ruling through a tax agent, as a prior ruling will give you interest and penalty protection. If you did wrong the tax return, then sometime if ATO order you, if they reverse your tax position, so rather than paying 20,000, you say you don't, because of certain tax issue, you don't have to pay 20. Not only you have to pay the shortfall of 20, but you might have to pay up to 25%, 50 or 90% of the shortfall as a shortfall tax penalty, plus the interest. Hence, if you have a complicated tax issue, come and talk to us on 0410 829 900. That number again, 0410 829 900. We'll be glad to help you. I look forward to talk to you. Thank you.